Do you know that feeling when you're checking out online and right before you pay, you suddenly think, wait, did I miss a coupon? Or worse, what if this exact same product is cheaper somewhere else? Or even worse, I bought this full price and there was cashback this whole time. That's basically the online shopping stress trifecta. And honestly, most of us do the exact same thing every time. Open 10 tabs, search random coupon sites, try expired promo codes, give up, and then just pay full price anyway. So I wanted to test a tool that does all of this automatically. It's called Coupert, and smarter shoppers use Coupert. It's a free browser extension designed to help people save money while shopping online. The whole idea is pretty simple. Automatic coupon testing, cashback rewards, and price comparison all in one place. And their main slogan is, Coupert finds the best coupons, guaranteed savings. The promise is not just maybe save $1 if everything lines up perfectly. It's more like, can this actually become the one thing running in the background that actually catches all of the savings I would have missed? And this matters most right now because shopping has become very, very sneaky. It's not just about whether something is on sale. You've got coupons, cashback, different retailer pricing, and timing. So if one tool can combine all three, that's actually a lot more useful than just a basic coupon extension. Now let's start with the feature most people are probably going to care about first, automatic coupon testing. This is the part where you get to the checkout and instead of manually searching for internet codes that may or may not work, Coupert automatically tests available coupons and it applies the best one it finds. And this is exactly why it matters in real life. Nobody enjoys the coupon scavenger hunt anymore. I'm not trying 18 different promo codes named Welcome 10, Save 15, Extra 20, Spring 25, and somehow not a single one of those work. With Coupert, all you need to do is get to the checkout, hit Apply Coupon, and let it search for the codes automatically. Then it shows you the best one and how much you've saved. What makes this more interesting is that Coupert also highlights a max saving guarantee on eligible orders. So if there's a valid coupon it didn't detect or you don't save on eligible orders, there may be protection in place with the rules applying. Now this is actually a very smart confidence builder because this isn't just a here's a button, good luck tool. They're leaning into the idea that this tool is supposed to catch savings consistently. And if you shop online a lot, consistency is everything. Saving once is nice, but saving every time you check out, that's the real difference. Now feature number 2 is cashback rewards. This is where Coupert goes beyond coupons. It can show you cashback offers while you shop, and if you activate cashback before you complete your purchase, part of that commission comes back straight into your account. You can then withdraw it through PayPal, gift card, or bank card. And this is huge because a lot of people think saving money online stops once they use a coupon. But cashback really is basically the extra layer that happens after the purchase. Coupert also supports cashback from a huge range of retailers, so it's not some tiny niche system that only a few obscure stores participate in. It's meant to be useful across a massive number of online shops. And the key thing I like here is payment speed, because traditional platforms can take forever, but Coupon says cashback is typically processed in 3 to 15 days. This makes the whole experience feel a lot more real, because cashback only feels good if it actually shows up fast enough to matter. If it takes too long, it stops feeling like savings and starts feeling like some vague future reward that you just forgot about. Now the third feature, and probably the sneakiest one, price comparison. Because sometimes the problem isn't that you forgot the coupon. Sometimes the problem is that you're shopping on the wrong site in the first place. While you browse products online, Coupert can display price information from other platforms and retailers to help you make better buying decisions. So instead of just saving a little at checkout, this helps you avoid overpaying from the start. And that's what makes it useful. It's not only helping you find discounts after you've already decided to buy, it's helping you check whether you should even be buying from that store at all. And this is where the real-time saving angle comes in. Coupert can show you how much you can save by going with a different retailer, so you don't miss out on a better deal elsewhere. And this is where the whole thing starts to make a whole lot of sense. Because the smartest way to save online isn't just finding a coupon or getting cashback, or even just comparing prices. It's doing all three together. This is what makes Coupert feel more like a shopping assistant than just any old coupon plugin sitting in your browser. So after looking through this tool, I really get the pitch. Coupert is trying to cover the full online shopping workflow. Coupons when you check out, cashback when you buy, and price comparison while you browse. And that's what makes this more practical. It's built for how people actually shop right now, where prices change all the time and the best deal usually isn't obvious right away. So yeah, if you're still opening a bunch of tabs, searching random codes and hoping for the best every time you shop online, there's a smarter way to do it. Not like the TV, which just changed. Shopping smarter is just a single click away. Install Coupert and let it do the work for you. The link will be in the description and pinned in the comments. I'm Adam from Daily Tested. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.